Hello everyone, this is DireNews and welcome to episode 58 of DireNews. It's been a little bit since we've had a DireNews episode, but today I've got a really important announcement for you guys. I will be participating in the Love Tropics charity event this weekend, which is November 13th through the 15th of 2020, where we'll be doing a bunch of fundraising for a really important cause that I'm going to talk to you guys about in just a moment here. It's going to be a fun, long weekend. Love Tropics itself will be going all weekend long. They're going to have tons of celebrity guests and people showing up to do live streaming, and it's going to be all Minecraft inspired like it has always been. There's going to be a server that people can get on and play with us all, so it's going to be a lot of fun. If you've joined a previous year's Love Tropics event, you kind of know what you're in for, but there's obviously some new and extra exciting things coming. But then also, if you've never been there, we'll talk a little bit about what happens. So first off, let's talk about the charity event itself and what they're supporting. So the charity event is for Oceana, which is a charitable organization that helps to prevent overfishing in the world's oceans. So overfishing is one of the biggest causes of declining ocean wildlife populations. Globally, overfish stocks have tripled in the last 50 years, and the percentage of biologically sustainable fish stocks have plummeted from 90% in 1990 to just 65.8% in 2017. Long story short, overfishing is becoming a bit of a problem, and this charitable organization seeks to help with that by advancing technologies, preventing capturing of the wrong types of fish. So like you guys have all heard of like dolphins getting caught and turtles when they were really trying to catch fish. Those kinds of problems are what they're trying to solve. So that's just an example of what they do. They also generally just work in general to help restore and support the world's oceans. So just like previous years, I'll be hosting part of the stream. So the way this works for the live stream weekend, the live stream is running throughout the entire weekend. And I will be live streaming certain segments along with a bunch of other YouTubers and Twitch streamers and all kinds of other people will be participating. They will also have their time slots. My time slots are as follows. I start Friday at 7 p.m. Eastern, and then I have another time slot Saturday at 7 p.m. Eastern. So both Friday and Saturday this weekend, starting at 7 p.m. Eastern, is when I will be streaming for the Love Tropics charity event. We're going to be doing giveaways. Me and Kojo have been talking about it. We wanted to see, like, what can we tweak or change this year? So, like previous years, I'll be doing a couple signed t-shirt giveaways. So you guys have seen me do this in the past. Basically, the way it works is you come in, we'll do some kind of charitable giveaway. One way or another, we'll figure out how we're going to choose the winner, whether it's, whoever donates the most in a certain period of time, or like everybody donates $5 and we pick a random number. We'll figure that out, during the event itself. But that's the basic gist. And then if you're the winner, you basically email me and tell me what shirt size and design you want. I will order the shirt from the DireNews shirt store. I will sign it and I will mail it to your house. So the basic gist there is that I will pay for everything. I buy the shirt, I pay for shipping, I take care of all of that, and you receive a shirt in the mail signed by me. So that's kind of cool. I've done that before. What I'm doing this year that's going to be different is I decided to do an Easter egg in one of my mods. So I've now got, as you can see in the background behind me, quite a few mods that I've been playing with. We've got building gadgets, we've got mining gadgets, we've got dire goo, we've got charging gadgets, and now I'm working on logistics lasers. So the winner of this prize will get to choose one of those mods that they would like an Easter egg in, and they define what the Easter egg is within reason, right? So like a small Easter egg, right? Something that's going to be cool. And so I'll work with you on that. So whoever happens to be the winner, they'll get to pick which mod it goes into. They can, make a recommendation. I think it would be cool if, this thing happened, right? Like name the mining gadget my name, and like it, shoots particles out every time you fire it. Something like that, right? And whoever that winner is can help decide what that is. And I will work with them to describe if what they're asking for is possible and within my skill set and all that stuff. So I think that would be a pretty cool thing to give away. Hopefully that sounds interesting. So we might give one or two of those away. I'm thinking one per time slot, right? So like, during the Friday at 7 p.m., we'll give one of those away. Saturday at 7 p.m. time slot, we'll give another one of those away. So there'll be two opportunities to win an Easter egg in one of my mods, and we'll make sure that, it's clear who did that if that's what they want. Cool? The other thing I committed to doing is, drum roll please, Once the charity stream overall hits $10,000. So not necessarily during my time slot, necessarily from me, but in general, once the charity stream overall hits $10,000, I've committed to releasing the current version of Logistics Lasers. Ooh, fancy. If you guys have been watching my Forgecraft series, you know that I'm working on this mod. It's very much work in progress, but the core functionality is there. There's plenty of more things that I want to add to the mod, but this is the first iteration of the mod, and I think it's really pretty stable. It's been running on Forgecraft for like a week or two now. I've fixed some of the bugs that have been found there. That doesn't seem to be anything major. So, like with all my mods, it will go up on CurseForge. It will be available publicly, and I will also be publishing the source code up on my GitHub. It's MIT licensed, which means you guys can look at it and play with it and do whatever you want with it. So if you guys want to learn, from the mods example, you can do so. So all of that will become publicly available right around the time the Love Tropics charity event hits that $10,000 threshold. I'll pull the trigger on CurseForge. Sometimes it takes them a little bit of time, especially over the weekends, for the project to be approved. But, I'll hit the button to make it public, and hopefully it'll be approved within a day or so. So if you guys are looking to play with Logistics Lasers, it will most likely be available publicly after this weekend, as soon as Love Tropics hits that $10,000 threshold. So that's the Love Tropics weekend. Hopefully you guys can be there. There's going to be a server that we're all playing on. Typically the way it works is anybody who donates a certain threshold of money will get whitelisted on the server and can join us. So I'll be playing on the server throughout the weekend. I'll be playing during the live stream. If you want to be on the server with us and with me while I'm playing, all you got to do is join the Love Tropics charity event stream at any time. And the link to where you'll be able to go is going to be in the description of this video. So just head over there. If you donate the threshold amount, you will get whitelisted on the server. Usually it's like a slightly modified server, so you'll have a couple mods that you'll need to get, but there'll be instructions on how to get them and get logged into the server. It'll be very easy. And then you can get in and play with us. And you can be on the live stream. There'll be usually lots of mini games to play on the server. So there's going to be building competitions, mini games, all kinds of stuff to do. So I'm very excited about it because you guys know I love the Love Tropics charity event. It's super fun. We're going to give away some good prizes and lots of other people hosting as well. So look in the description of this video to see all the stuff and all the links to more details about the Love Tropics charity weekend. Hopefully I'll see you guys there. For now, Doubles when I sign it off. Take it easy.